In this video, I will be presenting the WHOIS Footprinting. WHOIS is the way of gaining the domain information, not only domain information, but also technical and ownership information about the target organizational website. So, in order to do this footprinting, one must go to the website www.whois.com and enter the domain name to obtain the information such as registration information, that means where the particular site was registered, registrant organization, to which organization that domain was registered, next in which country that domain was registered, domain name server information, IP address of the domain, IP location of the domain, ASN, which means autonomous system number, domain status, that means whether the domain is active or inactive, or renewal is pending, any other information related to it. Next is WHOIS history, that means the past history that is available with that particular domain in WHOIS database. Next is IP history, that means the changing of the IP or any other hosting IP address and many other related information that belongs to the IP history. Registrar history, hosting history, that means here registrar history means the one who registered that particular site, and hosting history, how many what are the different servers on which that particular site was hosted. Anyhow, with the netcraft we will get some information. The registration detail and other information we can get via WHOIS. To obtain the admin and the registrar details, that means who is the admin of the website and who is the registrar of the website, their email IDs and its related information, we can obtain with the help of this link https whois.domaintools.com. If you can go to this website and type the domain name, then we'll get the information related to this. At the same time, there is a smart tool called Smart WHOIS. This is a Windows-based tool that you can download from famos.com website, and this will also help you to identify the above said information directly. So here is the domain tools of WHOIS Lookup. You can type a domain name of your choice. Here what I'm doing is I'm typing the jit.ac.in, or you may type any one of these Microsoft.com, whatever the website is there that you can write. Here WHOIS record for the Microsoft.com. The registrant is Microsoft Corporation only. Registered country is the United States, and the register states registrar status is client delete prohibited, client transfer prohibited, client update prohibited, server delete prohibited. So these are the various prohibitions that are there in the register status. And the name servers, these are the various name servers. This is around 10,744 days old. It was created first on 1st May 1991, and this particular domain is going to expire on 2nd May 2021, and it's updated on this website is recently updated on 3rd June 2020. So the IP address of this is 23.44.161.156. So like that ASN, which is registered the July 10th 2001. So like that the complete details of this, you look at here, WHOIS record updated on 2020-9/29, that is 29th September. So here register abuse contact email, this is the contact email of the registrar. Registrant email is this one, and admin email. So every detail you can find, every detail of the Microsoft.com, you can find via this particular WHOIS domain tool. So in this way, we are supposed to search for the web domain and its complete details, including the registration details. Not only registration details, who is the admin and his related emails and other details also. That is contact information, many other information that you can find. So one thing is, after this video, you may go to this website and try to explore what are the domain you want, and know and observe what are the different fields or different information that these domains are providing. So this WHOIS will help the uh, hacker to get the information about this IP address, net block data, domain name servers, and other information. Not only this one, regional internet registries information also will get. What is this regional internet registry? Basically, the domain names will be registered with the help of to a particular local registration office. This particular registration office will be like this: Regional Internet Registries (RIRs), AFRINIC, which means African Network Information Center. All the African countries, their domains and companies which are located in their domains in those countries will be having the registration will with this AFRINIC, like that ARIN, which is American Registry for Internet Numbers. Next, APNIC, which means Asia Pacific Network. LACNIC, which means Latin America and Caribbean Network Information Center. RIPENCC, RESEARCH UP, European Network Coordination Center. So the related countries which are of that particular category or which are in that particular continent will be registering their networks to these regional internet registries. Other online websites that are based on the WHOIS Lookup are given here: Landtricks.com, NetworkMost.com, Tilesoft.com, JohnRU.com, and Nirsoft.net, Sobalsoft.com. These are the various websites that will help the ethical hackers or any user to get information about a domain. Obviously, they will again work on the top of WHOIS Lookup only. That means they will take the help of WHOIS Lookup. So here WHOIS Lookup is we have seen so far for the with the help of this particular websites and all. And actually, this WHOIS Lookup tools are also available for the mobile, such as WHOIS Lookup, DNS Lookup, RBL Lookup, Traceroute, and IP Lookup, API bulk data access. So for this, what you're supposed to do is, on your Android mobile phone, go to Play Store and you type WHOIS. Okay, and you may also get some apps from this website, ultratools.com. There also you can get various WHOIS Lookup tools for mobile application, that is especially like Android application. So if you look at here, from an Android phone, if you go to this Google Play Store, there you type WHOIS, then you will get the WHOIS like this. This is the Android app of WHOIS and DNS Lookup. You can type whatever the website domain you want and can go for search. On mobile, there is a open source application only, free application only. You can download it and you can see the domain information via mobile phone. So this is what the appearance of the WHOIS and DNS Lookup on your mobile phone. So what is the importance of this DNS Lookup? So basically, this DNS Lookup information is helpful to identify a host within a target network. One must know the DNS record type for analyzing the DNS information. For example, here record type A means the host's IP address, MX means domain's mail server, and NS means host name server, CNAME means canonical naming, allows aliasings to their host. And SDA means indicated the authority of the domain. SRV, service records. PTR means IP host mapping. RP means who is the responsible person for this. And Hinfo means host information. TXT means unstructured records, any available for this DNS lookup. So these are the record types that we can search for any DNS lookup. And you can also go to this extracting the DNS information using the DNS stuff. You may view this particular website called dnsstuff.com. So the website looks like this. So here, this is the DNS stuff, in which you can go to the professional toolset and you can extract the DNS information of the particular domain. And there is another tool called centralops.net, where it will investigate the information about the domain check, email dossier, browser measure, ping, traceroute, NS lookup, auto WHOIS, and analyzing the path. So just to provide the domain name itself here, it will do all these operations and will give you the final report there. So this is one more tool that will be helpful for us in identifying the WHOIS, that is the complete details about the domain. So this is what the WHOIS footprinting. We will meet with another topic in the next lecture.